Hi everyone, we're going to draw a beautiful Christmas tree. Here we are going to merge these colors together. First we are going to make a beautiful red canvas. Now we are going to make a tree. Similarly, we're adding more details like snow, star, and look, your beautiful artwork is ready. In this video, we're going to make a beautiful drawing. So let's get started. Here we are making a scenery of a house and large mountains. First, we're going to cover all of them on this beautiful shade. After this, we're going to add some details like we're doing here. Draw the house like this, and similarly, you can also draw the trees as well. And look, your artwork is ready. In this video, we're going to merge these colors. Here we're going to make a beautiful scenery of pond. So let's get started. Like we are doing here, you have to merge these colors together. After this, we're adding some leaves and some flowers on the water like this. And look, it's ready. You can also add lotus flowers later. Let's make a beautiful scenery on this canvas. We are going to merge these colors together. After this, we are going to add lines to the canvas. We are making the trees and look at the beautiful sunlight, and look, it's ready. After this, we're also adding more details to the ground. Add more petals and some leaves, and look, your beautiful drawing is ready. In this video, we're going to make a very beautiful modern artwork. Look how we are merging these colors. After this, we're going to draw some random dots on the canvas like this. Now add some more lines like we're doing here. And look, it's almost ready now. Add more lines like we're doing here. We're making this large mountain and a village, and look, it's ready. Let's make a beautiful artwork. We're going to make two cliffs together, and we're merging these colors like we're doing here, and look, it's ready. After this, you have to add more lines and make some details like we're doing here. Look how pretty this painting is already looking. We're going to draw more lines, and look, it's done. Let's make this beautiful drawing. First, you have to draw the outline and then merge these colors together. We are going to draw a beautiful house, tree, and look at the weather. Here we are drawing some clouds. Now we are going to add lines on the house and ground, and then on the tree like this. Use a very thin brush for the details, and look, it's ready. You can also draw some flowers, and it's done. Take out your canvas. We're going to draw this beautiful scenery of windmill. First, we are merging these colors together and then make the clouds like this. Use a very thick brush and spread the white paint on the top of it, and look, it's ready. We're going to give it a purple and blue theme here. Similarly, we're merging more colors using this white paint, and look, your beautiful artwork is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and share with your friends.